monster trucks, wide harnesses. Yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
We back. You see it. More parts for this 5.3 4L60. You know, we ain't making no changes on the 6.0 / drive back and forth to work type of vehicle. So what we got here is an MSD 2-step launch controller. Well, knowing that we're using a stock setup, one of these is oh, it's simple, Simon, to hook up, man. I had one on my turbo Mustang. I'll put a clip in. Of it, but one pin, one wire. These two wires you see, the red. Where do you see red at, man? The white and the blue. One's a ground to activate. One's a positive activate. Now my plans. I'm going to put. Let's see. Blue is 12 volts. So I need the ground. Blue. I'm sorry. White and blue is 12 volts. And blue is ground. So I'm going to go with the blue. Yes, sir. So I think I'm going to go this route, being that I plan on running a sloppy trans brake on the 80E. If y'all don't know what a trans brake is.
Trans brake is a device used in drag racing that allows a car to stay in place while the engine creates full power. It works by simultaneously putting the transmission in forward and reverse gear, which prevents the power from being transmitted through the driveline. This allows the car to transfer power to the rear tires, similar to a manual clutch.
Do a little research, you'll see what an actual trans brake is. All this on the OBS. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. We're doing all this on the OBS, the truck that we are supposed to be just what? Not driving. Or driving back and forth to work. Nothing new, nothing changed. So I did not get a new tripod, but I'm gonna set y'all up to where show y'all how simple it is to hook up this daggone 2-step nitrous. I still haven't removed this Teflon tape. I will. Promise, I will. And if I do the 4L80E sloppy trans brake, so whenever I get on the 2-step, bip, 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 we're gonna see what that sounds like, y'all. But I get on the 2-step and let go of the button, I can be at whatever RPM I want and the truck won't move. I don't have that problem now, but I'm gonna try to see how high I can take it up to as far as on this converter, because the converter is really low. So let's get this thing plugged and played. All right, so we got the box right here, right? You see what it is? All it is just an interrupt for your coil packs. Simple Simon. I'm gonna run it here to here. So I'm running underneath all this stuff, right? Now, I would say cold start on the OBS, but man, it ain't even cold out here. I mean, it's for Christmas, it is beautiful right now. Beautiful. So you unplug your coil pack, plug in the MSD, come on, get on in there, plug in the other side of the MSD. There we go. Now, this is just for testing purposes. We will clean it up, run it a little different. All right, you can see this side better. Let's unplug the coil pack. Let's plug in the MSD. Let's see. Okay. Sneak it under there, like so. There we go. Let's unplug the coil pack, plug in the MSD right here. We'll plug in the MSD on this side of the coil pack. We've already done the other side. Let's turn it around first. All right. And then we'll plug this up on this side. All right. Now, all I should have to do is trigger this, and whatever RPM I have this set at, it should two-step. So let me start it up, and I'll dial this in. Right now they got it set on 5,500. We not doing that. That's too high. So let me get it started up, get some heat in it, get some air in the tire. We're going to take it out and do a burnout. Not on nitrous yet, though. All right, y'all. Like I said, I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to turn it down to 22. I'm going to turn it down to 20. 22. 23. Let's see what it sounds like at 23. button, but I am gonna go ahead and run that wire inside the truck. That's at 3,000. I didn't like it. I like the sound. I like the sound at a little lower than 3,000. We ain't got no turbos, so we're not spooling up nothing. So we're gonna go 2,000. 700. Let's see what that sounds like. Christmas.